This is the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, August 26, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Please post attendance between 8:20 to 8:30. Late duty, Ms. Langford. Important dates. August 22nd to 26th, HMH growth measure. HMH makeups with Ms. Spiegelberg today, 1st and 3rd grades around 9:15, 4th and 5th at 12 o'clock in Collab Lab. August 29th to September 2nd, iReady Diagnostic 1. September 5th, Labor Day, no school. September 6th, Title I meeting for parents, 9 in the morning. September 9th, Grandparents' Day, lunch, and Kona Ice. September 9th is Product's first deadline. September 14th, ALA Kids deadline. September 21st, Fall Makeup Pictures Day. October 7th, end of first quarter. October 10th, no school, teacher work day. iReady Diagnostic, August 2022. Please make sure you see the calendar so that you know when your class does the iReady Diagnostic. Shout out to Ashton Beeman from Miss Hamlin. Ashton was walking into the cafeteria for lunch and saw a pre-K student struggling to put her tray away, and he grabbed the tray and helped her set it up there. No one was around, no one asked him to help. He just saw a friend in need and helped. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday.